好，来有请我们下一个项目方的负责人。到了吗？请问是啊？好，来，掌声有请。
你好，可以先播放视频。
你好啊，要不我们先播一下视频好不好？这样的话快一点，可以比较容易快介绍。谢谢。
Welcome to Metarbox, the world's first art-to-earn platform. Step into our virtual world where you can work and live in a city full of opportunities. Explore Metarbox and seek hidden treasures. Every discovery could bring surprising rewards. You can purchase food in the stores of the city. You can start a business here and create your own commercial story. You can enjoy gourmet food to replenish energy and increase productivity. You also need sufficient sleep to make your work energetic. Enjoy the entertainment life of Metarbox to the fullest, whether it is a bowling alley or a bar. There is always a paradise for you. Metarbox. This is a new world full of infinite possibilities. What are you waiting for? Come and join us to start your new exciting life. Blending reality, crafting infinity. First pre-sale is coming soon.
Okay, hi guys. I'm David. Dave actually.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
Hi, nice to meet you all. Actually, this project, actually Metarbox, is we're still in the development right now, so it's not launched yet. So we're going to have a beta test actually end of this next month. Yeah. So what our vision actually right now is because a lot of we see a lot game fight right now, right? So we're trying to have virtual VR and AR combining together. Actually, what's the key here actually? The vision here to have a place where people can interact, that social things, social fight, and then integration between reality world and online virtual world. I think that is the key though, the integration. Obviously, we're going to have a device also, AR device later on down the line. Yeah. So why we develop Metarbox? So we heard a lot of meta, right? Like do the metaverse, a lot of it's a future. A lot of content that a lot of people try to build content of it, and then there's also AR coming up, and then but there are also a lot of contents right now. A lot when we talk about metaverse and AR, you might always come with game, like playing games, right? So I think we try to break that things. How not really break it, like have different kind of route, right? So we have this virtual reality where people can interact in real world and the virtual world. So that is where we're trying to do here actually. So we also will integrate with AI in that case to improve some of our. We use AI CG for sure. We have our own technology, and then also we're going to have AI interactions on the chat, stuff like that. So social fi, and obviously Web3. This is where the key combine them together actually. So we have this kind of plan actually. The plan here actually to create a distinct cities actually. So we're going to have 4 cities all these places. And then we start, the first city we call it Alpha City. It will be our kind of like a test, beta. It's actual Alpha City. It's where we call Alpha City it's an alpha version of it, actually. So we're going to have this test, the first one, end of this month. And then the population will be 10,000 user will be there. So you see the video earlier on, right? When you come to Alpha Cities, you are not just playing games or social fight. You come here, you're going to own shops. You're going to have to work there, but like traditional to make money actually. You work there, you interact with other people. So I think this is how we built the Alpha City to start with. Later on, we're going to integrate with AR classes. That would be on the beta side. Beta actually is more like a financial hubs where the banking will be there, like DeFi, it will be there actually. User can bring your token over the beta city. Like we will actually do the DeFi bankings and interactions with other cities actually. And then we have a Gamma. Gamma city is more like entertainment cities where users come and relaxing, social fight, interactions, things like that. And then DAO city is coming up after that. DAO city is more like integrations between a couple of BD actually. We actually have a couple of partnership right now with the AICG, some of them on the platform itself, and then a couple of things actually. I didn't mention much about technology here because there's a lot of technology issue if you do a games actually. One of the main issue on the game, not GameFi, more like this Metaverse can take a place. When a lot of users come, the cost of operation actually very expensive. All right, that's one of them. And then the other one is how to make it streamlined in the virtual reality is the key also. When 10,000 users come, how do you make sure the interaction is smooth? It's not like you come to next door, you have to wait. For the game player, normally you can wait for 5 seconds, or 1 minute to download. So we also have these foundations to solve this issue actually. Some part of it, we have this cloud processing to help with that actually. Yeah. So earlier on, you see that on the video, the user can come to work, do a business inside there, and then we also have you have to sleep, you have to have diet, exercise. So there's a lot of activities going on there. So yeah, for NFT actually we have 3 types of in crypto Web3, like we have 3 types of things that we're using. One of the NFT assets. So we have AR glass. AR glasses actually we have different types. One is digital and the other one is actual one. So because the reason we use AR glasses, we're going to integrate with the what I call it is the traditional business. Like we will partnership with them. They're going to have a shop on the virtual world. And when you use AR, for example, you go to McDonald's, right, or Starbucks downstairs. So when you use our AR glasses, actually you can see some of the, you can actually order. We have that platform actually. You can order the Starbucks, or you can get advertisement. You can open up a box to get discounts, things like that.
我补充一下，就是我们的这个 NFT 的资产其实是包括了几种东西，一个是 AR 眼镜，然后我们 AR 眼镜呢有实体的 AR 眼镜，也有虚拟的 AR 眼镜，是唯一能进入我们元宇宙的一个设备。那戴上这个 AR 眼镜的话，等于是说你在现实生活中也可以进入到这个虚拟的世界，就比如说你有一个虚拟的小狗，它会围着在你身边转，跟你去交流对话，甚至说我们这个宠物有可能会加入到这个 ChatGPT， 对吧？它还可以跟你交流，对，它可以成为你的一个很好的小助手。然后包括说我们会在元宇宙去加上自己的数字分身。那等于就是说，我们在这个元宇宙，我们不用自己打工，元宇宙这个数字分身可以替我们打工，替我们去经商，在这个元宇宙里面赚取这个平台的币。然后我们在这个元宇宙，我们还有自己的房产，可以经营商圈， 可以经营自己的店铺，你可以开一个商店，开一家酒店都可以。然后也有这个地产，我们这个不是说我们存在这个元宇宙里面卖地，我们是在里面有一套比较成熟的经济体系在运行的。
So the platform itself, we have the third generation, not generation, the third kind of Web3 that we're using is the token actually. So we have MBD, is more like utility tokens inside the metaverse, and where when you have a shop, you become a boss inside. You can become a boss, and then there's a worker work for you. So you can make you will make MBD. Tokens for that. How do you use it? You need to consume it for buying. You increase the shop's size. You want to renovation the shop, or you have to buy items for your avatar. Actually, you have to sleep. You have to also just like regular experience that traditional we have. Yeah.
对。这个就是我们的那个平台币，我们衣食住行所有消耗的这个代币都是用 MBT 去支付的，包括它也非常像我们现在使用的这种那个法定的货币，就是你要去住酒店啊，你要去吃饭啊，都要支付这个 MBT 作为这个代币来使用。
Yep, and then we have governance. Coins, ARC, AR coins we call it, and this is where the AR, when you use the AR glass virtually and physically, this you can get this coin actually, MBT coin, and then using MBT coin you can do more like governance stuff. You could do AR to earn, where you earn the coin. You do the DeFi. When I said the beta city, you do a lot in the beta city also on the virtual world. Yeah. And Douglas is our actually CTO. He's actually right now. They are all in Taiwan right now on Roadshow, and he's founded the More Geeks. Actually, it's all games. He done the game fight actually right now in the European side, and right now actually we are working. Right now actually Douglas and the team here, we actually trying to push the next layer of game fight, not just simple game fight. So we try to expand it such that virtual world and the traditional business can be interact together actually. So this couple more teams that we have actually, which you guys can look it through the website actually. So kind of highlight that we went through. So we will have AR coins down the line, where we launch it. That's where the government coin and also the key coin actually we call it, where you use it. All right. It will be where we use it for traditional market, and then the virtual world actually interactions. And you can actually use the AR coin in the future. That we already start talking to a couple of partnership where you use the AR coin. But you have to wear the AR glass. Then example earlier said Starbucks, right? So you wear the AR glasses, so you can use AR coin actually to buy the Starbucks actually. So I think that's where our technology is behind the scene here. And then we also have blending the reality. Earlier I mentioned the Starbucks thing. Also the tokenomics play, the way the flow work actually will be same like traditional, where you have to work to make money, where you have to sleep to get more energy, you have to eat, those will be there too. So the digital city will be alpha first, and then beta and then we have gamma, and then DAO city. Yeah. So this city will be growing. We'll be expanding it actually, going through with a couple of partnerships.
我来简单总结一下。其实刚刚我们聊到这个元宇宙是一个比较有趣的，因为我们之前也了解过很多其他元宇宙的项目，他们都是通过比如说卖币啊，卖那个地产来去炒高这个价值。那这个地产呢就时高时低的，对吧？但是我们元宇宙有什么样的 不一样，就是首先它的这个经济体系跟我们现实生活的经济体系是一样的，就是人要在这个世界上吃饭、睡觉以及打工，然后我们在元宇宙也是要一样的，你要通过打工赚钱，然后来支付你在里面吃饭、睡觉的钱。有可能你不支付的话，你会生病，你在元宇宙里面，你就很有可能就没有办法来支撑你的这个生存。生存在元宇宙以及生存在现实世界都是一样的，所以这就是为什么我们整个经济体系会起来，包括说这个元宇宙会比较有人气，因为大家都要在里面打工，不打工你买的这个 NFT 很有可能就过了几个月，这个人物就已经挂了，对，他就生存不了了，在这个元宇宙，就像你现实生活中，你不吃不喝几个月，你也挂了，对，那我们这个就是说，一个简单的一个介绍，就是更希望是说把现实生活中的这种经济体系以及这种生活的感带到元宇宙里面，而且可以更加娱乐性一点。就是除了说你在元宇宙里面可以打工经商以外，你还可以看演唱会，对，我们也会跟各种各样的明星去合作，包括说，例如假设我们能请到周杰伦在这个元宇宙里面开一场演唱会，你可以跟他面对面有一个粉丝握手会见面会，这种是现实生活中很难做到的。但是我们在元宇宙中，我们可以去实现，对，或者甚至，这些明星可以邀请我们这些粉丝去到他的这个 house 里面去办一个很大型的 party， 都是可以的。所以说，包括说，我们也跟一些明星去谈合作，就是他可以在我们元宇宙里面经商，比如说开一个餐厅、开个商店等等，我们也可以去他店里去应聘做他的店员，帮他打工。那或者是做他的经纪人等等，这个就是我们在现实生活中很难做到。包括说最近很火的一个 AI 孙燕姿，对吧 ？AI 孙燕姿能做到一个本人孙燕姿都做不到一个事情，就是她完美的还原了孙燕姿的嗓音，并且唱出了很多400多首歌。那这400多首歌对于孙燕姿她本人来说，她唱不了那么多，而且也不可能天天唱。所以我们这个 AR 就是这个 Metarbox 的元宇宙的项目，会结合 AI 最新的这些技术，比如说数字人，对，我们会建立各种各样的数字人，会生存在这个元宇宙，并且也会接入 ChatGPT， 就是说里面的各种 NPC， 它不是一个傻瓜式的 NPC， 它是有灵魂的，它是有性格的，它是加载着这个 ChatGPT 的一些所有的功能。你可以跟他对话交流，甚至你说不定可以跟他有一场恋爱，对，最近也蛮火的，就是那个虚拟人恋爱嘛，对，就是虚拟男友女友，说不定你在元宇宙可以找到另一半，但是这个另一半我不确定是 ChatGPT 还是说真的人哦，因为你在里面可能就分不清他是 NPC 还是他是背后有一个真的人，对，所以我是觉得说，我们设计的这个元宇宙的项目呢，是把整个真实世界的体验感去增强，就是我们能做到一些在现实生活中我们做不到的事情。比如说我想就是见周杰伦，我想听孙燕姿唱歌，是现实中很难做到，他们的门票都超级贵。对，之前周杰伦在香港不是也办了演唱会嘛，没抢到门票，黄牛已经炒到了几万块钱一张，对吧？但是你如果说这些事情在这个元宇宙轻而易举我就可以办到，我甚至可以跟他握手，可以跟他一起玩，这种就是你在现实生活中想都不敢想的一些事情。对，所以这就是我们元宇宙的一个精彩之处，以及是跟其他元宇宙项目不一样的地方。对，好，我讲完了，谢谢。
谢谢大家。